Hello everyone, my name is Yuvraj Mahadev, student of MBA from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies. Today we are diving into a crucial topic that affects your health, efficiency and overall work quality, that is ergonomics in production. Whether you work in an office, a factory or even from home, how you set up your workspace and perform tasks directly impact your productivity, comfort and long-term well-being. So let's explore how ergonomics can boost efficiency and keep you pain free. Stick around for some practical tips you can start using right away. So first let's define ergonomics. Ergonomics is the science of designing workspace, tools and tasks to fit the human body efficiently and safely. It's all about reducing strain, preventing injuries and improving efficiency and comfort. Poor ergonomics can lead to chronic pain, fatigue and even serious injuries over time. But when done right, it boosts productivity, job satisfaction, and overall well being. So, how does ergonomics apply to different work environments? Let's break it down. First is ergonomics in different workspace. If you work at a desk all day, poor posture and an uncomfortable setup can lead to back pain, neck strain, and wrist fatigue. Here's how to fix it. First, chair and desk height. Your chair should support your lower back and your feet should rest flat on the floor. Your deck should allow your arms to be at a 90-degree angle. Second is monitor position. The top of your screen should be at eye level and about an arm's length away to reduce eye strain. Keyboard and mouse placement. Keep them close enough so your elbow stay at a 90-degree angle and your wrist remains straight. Second is factory and industrial workspace. In production setting like factories, ergonomics is a crucial to avoid repetitive strain, injuries, and improve efficiency. Here's what to focus on: workstation height. Machines and stool should be at waist level to minimize bending and reaching. Second is proper lifting techniques. Always bend your knees, you keep your back straight, and lift your leg not, not your back. Third is anti-fatigue mat. If you stand for long periods, using cushion mats reduce strain on your legs and feet. And the third is home workspace. Working from working from home, it's easy to fall into bad habits like working from the couch, slouching over a laptop. Instead, try this. Use a proper desk and chair. A dining chair and table aren't ideal. Invest in an adjustable chair and a desk at the right height. External monitor and keyboards. Laptop can cause poor posture and external keyboard and monitor help maintain a neutral position. And take breaks. Follow the 20-20-20 rules. Every 20 minutes, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds to reduce eye strain. And move towards the another section, that is the impact of ergonomics on productivity. Did you know study shows that proper ergonomics can boost productivity by up to 25%? When employees feel comfortable, they work more efficiently, make fewer mistakes, and experience less fatigue. Companies that invest in ergonomics solutions see fewer workplace injuries, lower absenteeism, higher job satisfaction. So, whether you are an employer or an employee, investing in an ergonomics is a win-win. And the last section is which ergonomics fix you can do today. Alright, here are some easy ergonomics grids you can implement it today. Adjust your chair and desk height to support proper posture. Use a footrest if your feet don't touch the floor. Position your monitor correctly to avoid neck strain. Use wrist support for keyboard and mouse comfort. Take regular break at scratch and move around. Small changes make a big difference over time. And that's wrap up our guides to ergonomics and production. Remember, a well-designed workspace isn't just about comfort. It's about working smarter, safer, and more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, Then tell me in the comments what's one ergonomics change you are going to try today. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.